Right, I'm telling you about the really annoying thing about the butter being kept in the fridge. I just tried to make a sandwich and demolished my bread because this is solid. It is just, it's not squishy like it's supposed to be. Oh, there goes my knife. And I effectively made holes in my bread trying to spread this thing. I need a new knife. Hang on. Look at it. It won't spread. It won't do it. It's so annoying. Because we keep the butter. And we keep the butter here, and that's why. That's why I've made holes in my bread.